Trello CRM Honest Review, watch before using. In today's video, I'll be diving into Trello CRM, highlighting its features and who it's best suited for, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. You can find links to the product in the description below. Trello CRM is designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a simple yet effective way to manage customer relationships. Its visual board system allows teams to organize tasks, track leads, and collaborate in real time. One of the standout features is its drag-and-drop interface, which makes moving tasks through different stages a breeze. You can customize boards to suit your workflow, whether you're managing sales pipelines or tracking customer interactions. Trello also integrates seamlessly with various third-party applications, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, which enhances its functionality and ensures that your team can stay connected without switching between multiple platforms. Additionally, Trello's automation features, known as Butler, allow you to set up rules that can save time on repetitive tasks. This can be especially useful for automating follow-ups or assigning tasks to team members based on specific triggers. While Trello is user-friendly, it may not be suitable for larger enterprises that require advanced reporting, analytics, or a more complex CRM solution. Overall, if you're looking for a straightforward, visually appealing tool to manage your customer relationships without the clutter, Trello CRM might just be the answer. Before you make your final decision, take a moment to explore the links provided in the description to see if this tool aligns with your business needs. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content that helps you make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.